What is going on, guys? My name is Nicholas Merton here at Data Dash, and today is July 30th of 2017. So guys, let's do a real quick market recap and look over the recent price action of the big players. So first off, as always, we're going to start off with Bitcoin here. Now, as I told you guys a few days ago when I did my last recap, I was calling that this was just going to curve right along that 50-day. The moving averages are important, folks, and it did exactly that, and we got a nice little uptick in price with two candles, almost adding up to about 10% of a return. So definitely had a good little run up. However, we have had about 2 days of pullback. So far today has been a little bit in the red. Nothing too serious though. We're definitely not getting any major sell-off days. But yeah, it's gonna be interesting to watch, guys. You know, I'll tell you, I really think this is the end of the pullback right here. If you really want to call this a pullback, I mean, it's just slightly downside price action, same as this was kind of uptick price action. But here's the reason I say that is if we go down here, the only two things I'll usually look at are the daily and the hourly when I'm analyzing kind of like short-term trends. You can see, obviously has been holding support here at the 200 hour. So this is giving me confidence, guys. I think we're, as much as I would love it to be a little bit cheaper because I want to add to my Bitcoin position, nonetheless, I think it's safe here and it's going to start curving back upwards. It looks like it's on the up and up for the hourly. And the sell side volume wasn't able to penetrate, really penetrate the 200 hour. So definitely gives me some confidence. And if we get back to these highs, guys, I have no doubt in my mind that going into August 30, kind of like late night July 31st towards August 1st, we are going to see a pretty large uptick in price. Not to mention, I think that altcoins are going to get a boost as well. That's why I'm mostly diversified in altcoins right now as we go into this. So anyways, let's go ahead and look, now that we've covered some Bitcoin, let's go ahead and look at Ethereum. So Ethereum definitely recovered from a lot of its sell-side action. Man, we got some strong selling a few hours ago. Let me go here to the daily. Actually completely recovered from it and is now back up. So we're under the 100-day here, and you know, I was telling y'all when we started seeing the sell action, I was like, you know, there's a possibility we could go down here to the 200-day. However, I honestly just don't see it happening. We completely recovered from that candle as much as the sell-off was bad. We have more volume on the buy side here, just as equal. So I think this honestly might be the bottom for Ethereum for now, or you might see a kind of stagnation in this area. But I wouldn't remain serious confidence until we get back over that 200, or sorry, the 100-day. So I'm really not touching much Ethereum right now, guys. But if you're looking for the long term, if you're holding, you know, for the next year or two, definitely consider maybe getting some Ethereum at this price. But of course, you guys got to do research and make sure to stay diversified. Let's go ahead and look at Litecoin, and I'll also go and look at the Bitcoin comparison as well. Yeah, still getting shot down under this 50-day, guys. That's not a good sign about Litecoin. Now, you all know I like Litecoin long term. I think it has a chance to be the next Ethereum. The problem I see, though, is in the price action right now. Whereas we were maintaining support and bouncing every time off the 50-day, we're not doing that anymore. And that worries me a little bit. So, anyways, yeah, I definitely would like to hopefully maybe see a pullback down here to the 100-day. That would be an awesome buying opportunity. If we go ahead here and look at the Bitcoin comparison to Litecoin, we can see that that sell side is even stronger. So we originally came from this area at the 21 area down here to 15. So we've definitely got a decent pullback comparative to Bitcoin. Broke the 50-day and are holding support at the 100-day. Worst case scenario, guys, we come down here to the 200-day. I've talked about this before, but this would be a wonderful buying opportunity if Litecoin came down to this area down here. And look what moving average is still kind of inching up right towards it. It's like it's synchronizing for it. So I definitely would say that I think Litecoin could see this. However, it would just be a great adding opportunity if you're holding long term. So nothing to worry about, guys. All right, let's go ahead and take a look at CoinMarketCap. We'll go ahead and take a good look and see how the market is doing. Right now, we're sitting under the $90 billion mark still. Let's go here to this. Actually, we'll do the monthly chart real quick. Give it a second to load. And it looks like even though we had a little bit of a pullback after this big uptick in price, it looks like honestly, guys, we're curving up and we're looking to go towards new highs going into the next few days and next few weeks after SegWit. So yeah, I'm not fearful of the market, guys. This to me, I'm gonna let y'all know on a technical standpoint, no one who has trading experience would call this a dead cat bounce. I'm just saying, I'm not trying to insult anyone, but you do not have a bounce from the $60 billion range to $95 billion, more than a 50% return, and call that a dead cat bounce. It's not. Now, if we would have gotten maybe like here at 70 billion from 60 billion, people are like, oh, see, the market's recovered. I would have been a little more weary and said, we might want to wait a little bit. You know, that could be a dead cat bounce. But guys, we have gotten all the way up to this range, up here in the $88 billion range from 60 billion. It's not, in my opinion, a dead cat bounce. But who knows? Crypto markets work a little bit different sometimes than traditional markets. But anyways, guys, that's enough as is. I want to hear what you guys think the market is going to do going into SegWit. We're getting close to it, guys. The fork might be coming. Is it going to actually, you know, have an impact on Bitcoin? Are people going to take it serious? I'd love to hear what you guys think, and if you guys got any coins or comments that you guys, coins or topics you guys want me to cover, I'll be happy to cover it. Just leave a comment down below, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Anyways, guys, thanks for watching the market analysis, and I'll see you all in the next video. Stay tuned.